Okay, we're in Word 2007 and we're going to do a little more with formatting, doing a real simple birthday party sort of thing here. And we're going to decorate this up a little bit. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight birthday party and make sure I'm on my home tab. And then I'm going to call it the title. And I'm going to center align it. So again, top under the home tab, it's title. And if you highlight over any of these, it'll automatically change it to whatever the current styling is. So again, title, and then center line is right here. If you haven't watched the alignment tutorial, kind of demonstrates this a little more. Now I want to, because there's not much info, I want to highlight all of this and just left click on the bottom of one side and then scroll your mouse over to where you want to stop and then let go. And I'm going to go up here to the size and I'm going to put it at 14. This I'm also going to center align. And for when, I'm going to make it bold. So right underneath the font type, you can make it bold. And I'm also going to underline here. And I'm going to do that with where and RSVP. Now here's a nice, fun, simple thing to do. If you want to have multiple items that you're going to highlight and do the same thing to, control, and then select the second item just like you had selected the first. So now I'm going to go to bold and underline again. And as you can see, both the highlighted items are now bold and underlined. So one of the other things that we can do here is, we can play spacing, we can put in an image. Let's say we're going to put in an image. So I'm going to go to the Insert tab right next to Home. And I'm going to go Clip Art. If you have a picture for this, great. If not, you can always search birthday stuff. I'm actually going to type in birthday just to see what they have. And hit go. Oh, looks like they have a little piece of cake, so I click that and it puts it in. And if you remember, I already viewed aligning the picture. I'm going to go to text wrapping. I'm going to put behind text, which allows me to drag it anywhere I want. And I'm going to put over to the left here. And then I'm going to grab the bottom right circle. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Not the greatest graphic, but works for this purpose. Position where I want it. Give it a little color. One final thing I'm going to note with this is I'm going to go ahead and undo by hitting delete and bringing this line up. Word 2007 does a web type spacing when you hit enter. And I'll show you. I'm going to hit enter right now. And it adds this giant line between. So if I hit backspace twice, it'll bring it back to the line. One thing you can do is if you hit shift and enter, it'll put right underneath the line and include it in that same paragraph. Little bit of a tangent, but a lot of people do ask, why does it always throw that space? How do I get around it? And this is a great way to do it. So now you have a little birthday party invitation, a little more decorative than plain, and it gives you something to kind of start playing with some styles. Hope it's helped. Thank you very much.